Barbados is really the place to want to be, to spread your wings to the region. And because they've set up their base in Barbados, again, it signifies, the stability in the economy of Barbados and the opportunities that exist. So we have been working with Afreximbank to borrow money for the Hyatt project. They're taking the lead. They're on the debt side, which is good. So, and also on our cement distribution business, we're looking at growing that business. So they've come on and offered us a facility which we've negotiated and agreed to today, and we've signed on that to help us in growing the cement business regionally, in building our manufacturing plant. So we will be manufacturing regionally, first of all in Barbados and in Guyana, and then expanding on those opportunities and having a facility through Afreximbank, and also working with their relationships. So when we create a relationship with the bank, we also then are able to forge relationships with their other customers. So Dangote Cement is the largest producer in Africa. So we're able to build a relationship with them and buy raw materials and benefit from that and the growth of our businesses. And we're excited to be here, excited for ourselves, excited for Barbados, and it will be the springboard for what we believe is going to be major in Barbados in the hotel industry, because the banks have been hesitant in lending money on greenfield projects, meaning new projects. That's the regional banks. They want to lend money to businesses that have existing cash flow for renovations and so on, but for new projects it's been difficult, and a project as large as the Hyatt, which is in excess of 165 million US dollars, is quite something for the banks to want to do, and all the banks are waiting for the bank wants the first deal to be done to do the next deal. So hopefully this will show that there is confidence in lending money to such projects, because Afreximbank is a large bank and has shown that it has confidence in Barbados, the region, and certainly in the project and our group of companies. So we're excited, and this will be the first of many deals that we'll be doing with Afreximbank.
So what is the value of the deal?
It's $90 million on the debt side, so they're coming in with a $90 million US dollar loan, and then we have all the rest of what makes up that in equity and other components of it. So that's the value of the deal.
So what exactly will, now that you've signed this deal, what exactly is the next step for the Hyatt?
A lot of legal work, a lot of the team working behind the scenes, as they have been working extremely hard behind the scenes on the finance side and the legal side, and putting together the whole project on the design and build side. So all of that, all those wheels have been in motion, and there's just a little more fuel to speed up the pace of those wheels to get the project started.
Do you have any idea, to give us a projection of when the project will get started?
Realistically, in another few months, so hopefully by the fourth quarter of this year. That's our aim to try to break ground by the fourth quarter of the year.
And then after that happens, opening projected to be when? 2 years.
Construction between 18 months to 2 years, and opening in 2 years. It's a major undertaking. It's a big project, and we're committed to getting it going. Not that we haven't ever been not committed, because it's a huge investment for us and our group and partners that are involved, but we're here, and you can see now that the wheels are not just in motion, but the wheels are moving quickly. So.
Okay, you mentioned the Dangote Industries. What will this mean for cement prices in Barbados?
What it means for the cement business in the region is sustainability, because the Rock Cement brand, currently we manufacture cement in Turkey and bring it into the region. So we have the duties and so on that are faced. So now that we're able to manufacture cement in the region and bring in the raw materials, we're creating a real sustainable industry. So we'll be able to maintain the quality of cement, we'll be able to produce the volumes that are needed in the region.